Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video to do the 8K video playback support test comparison between all the three smartphones which I got right now. Starting with the first phone, which is a Poco F3 GT, and second phone is a Oneplus Nord 2 device, and third is a iQOO 7 device. As you can see, friends, iQOO 7. Let's see which phone will be able to play the 8K video playback better and smoother. That is what I'm going to exactly compare. And this is a request asked by a couple of subscribers as well, so I thought of making this kind of video. So the 8K videos will be playing only in the few processors which are really powerful enough to play. Yes, absolutely friends, only in the few processors. Not every processor can play 8K video playback. So let's see which processor out of this phone will be easily can play the 8K video without any kind of lag or delay. So let's get started without wasting any time. Right now I'm trying to play the same 8K file in all the three smartphones at same time. At same time I'm trying to play, friends. So you can clearly see at same time. Let's see which phone will be able to play the 8K video really very smoother. So what I'm looking after is that the video should play in exactly same time. Yes, without any kind of lag. So right now you can see the iQOO 7 phone display is going slightly faster. You can see, friends. And next the Oneplus Nord 2 display is going. And next the Poco F3 GT display is going. You can see in terms of the transition, how the image is transition, as you can see, exactly. So this is what I mean. So if the phone processor is not sufficient enough, it's not capable enough to play 8K video, what happens is that the video, it will play, but it plays slightly, little bit kind of slow. Not in the normal mode, not in fast motion. So it will play in the little bit kind of slow motion. I mean, little bit, just a few seconds will be delay. So right now in my testing, what I did find out is that iQOO 7 was able to play really smooth without any kind of lag, nothing. So Oneplus Nord 2, just a little bit kind of lag, and Poco F3 GT, little bit kind of more amount of lag is there. So you can see the image, these three buildings, now it came in the iQOO 7 device, and after some time the Oneplus Nord 2 got the three buildings, as you can see, and again after some time the Poco F3 GT will get the three buildings. As you can see, friends, exactly what has happened. So this is what I meant. So these two phones were able to play it, but not 100% with the normal speed. No, it's not playing with the normal speed. You can see some kind of lag and delay little bit when compared with the Snapdragon 870 chipset. As you can see, friends, how it is in terms of the lag and delay. So overall, the Snapdragon 870 was able to play 8K videos without any problem, smooth. Exactly, with same speed, without any lag, zero lag, 100% in the Snapdragon 870. Next, OnePlus Nord 2, close to maybe 90%, and Poco F3 GT maybe close to 80%, somewhere around that. So that's how it is. As you can see, clear difference between all the three smartphones. And I'm trying to use the same 8K file only, same 8K file. I'm not running in any kind of slow motion or anything. So same speed I'm trying to run in all the phones, same speed only, friends. So you can see the 1x as well, 1x which is there here. So same speed I'm trying to run in all the phones. So I'll try to show you exactly the properties of this video. So right now let's see the timing. I forgot to mention the time. First let's talk about the time. Which phone has got what type of time? So this is going to be really very interesting, because let's see in the iQOO 7 the time 225 and 214 and 2 seconds, 2 minutes. Let me to keep it properly. Let me to tap at same time and try to look at the timings. How much delay the time will be there when compared with the normal phone. Let's see. 240 seconds and 223, as you can see, friends, 10 seconds delay is there between all the three smartphones. I mean these two phones. As you can see, how much delay. So in this way you'll be able to get to know by looking at the timings. This is what I'm talking. So the 8K video is playing, but it's playing really well in a very slow way. I mean with some kind of lag little bit. So now let's see the resolution and what is the frame rates of this 8K video. So that will give you the better idea what is happening. And tools and properties. And 7080 into 4320 resolution, and it frames at 30 fps. As you can see, 30 fps frame rates. Same thing goes to the OnePlus Nord 2 as well. Same resolution I'm trying to play. Properties and 7680 into 4320, and same, as you can see, even the iQOO 7 has also got the same kind of video format only. Let me try to show you resolution. As you can see, friends, same 29.9 fps. So the final conclusion is that the iQOO 7's Snapdragon 870 processor was able to completely support 100% without any kind of lag or delay. It can easily play smooth the 8K videos. So next, when it comes to the Dimensity 1200 processor, so it's not that playing in the smooth manner, but if you compare these two, the OnePlus Nord 2 slightly kind of better, and next position goes to the Poco F3 GT in terms of playing the 8K videos. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, bye.